At long last, the moment has arrived that we have all been anticipating. Things are looking quite exciting, and we are making great strides in recovering from the recent market crash. Some classified information concerning Shiba Inu is making waves, and experts are talking about possible price hikes. Since it might come at any second, there is a lot of anticipation. To be clear, what am I referring to? Alright, allow me to elaborate. Important notice: recently there has been a significant increase in the price of Shiba Inu, that the Bitcoin industry as a whole has experienced a marked upturn. Given that Bitcoin is currently spearheading a market resurgence, this growth is particularly noteworthy. The recent surge in Bitcoin's value, which culminated in an all-time high of about $773,000 on March 14th, has had a notable impact on the overall market sentiment. Throughout this market recovery, Shiba Inu have done exceptionally well. However, they did not join the trend until much later. Specifically, the Shiba Inu reached a multi-year high on March 4th after a 378% jump on February 23rd, much beyond market expectations. However, after hitting its top, Shiba Inu encountered resistance around the $45 level, leading to a retreat. The most recent efforts at recovery, though, have been significant. Shiba Inu experienced a 26% surge on March 17th. Shiba Inu has shown its will to keep moving upwards despite market volatility by putting a premium on maintaining levels above the critical threshold. The interesting portion comes after. Technical indicators such as the Relative Strength Index (RSI) have provided cause for confidence regarding the future expansion of Shiba Inu. The Relative Strength Index (RSI) for Shiba Inu is 8.44, which means that despite its current price, it is still trading at levels below overbought. As a result, Shiba Inu don't have to worry about being forced to sell when they reach a certain size. Taking all of this into account, Shiba Inu appear to be in a precarious but ultimately promising position. Although it faces resistance at some price points and is still vulnerable to potential downturns, its positive relative strength index suggests that more expansion is expected. The most interesting portion begins now. There has been some intriguing new on-chain action about Shiba Inu recently. The most notable case is the whale who, after removing Shiba Inu tokens valued at more than $14 million from Coinbase, has opened new wallets. The whale may have bought a substantial investment in Shiba Inu during the recent market volatility, as this large transaction suggests. This whale was probably planning to strategically accumulate Shiba Inu since they removed a large amount from Coinbase and transferred it to multiple wallets. It appears that these acts were premeditated to take advantage of the depression and establish a large holding in Shiba Inu as they occurred during a period when the breed was being criticized. As a result of these on-chain operations, the Shiba Inu market dynamics and investor mood are improved. The whale's decision to purchase a large amount of Shiba Inu shares shows its faith in the asset's future growth and value. It demonstrates that Shiba Inu are considered resilient enough to withstand temporary market fluctuations and emerge even stronger. The fact that one entity has bought up a large chunk of Shiba Inu further adds to the cryptocurrency's allure as a potential investment. It confirms the asset's validity and marketability by highlighting its appeal to institutional and high-net-worth investors. Think about it, the whale just created 7 new wallets, transferred exactly $2 million worth of Shiba Inus from Coinbase to each one, and then came back to the $14 million purchase of Shiba Inu overnight. But why were you so set on that strategy? They are making a strategic move to protect their Shiba Inu assets and decentralize, breaking away from reliance on centralized exchanges. There are several good reasons why this is a brilliant decision. Distributing Shiba Inu over multiple wallets is the first step the whale takes to lessen the risk of centralization. You should think twice before storing a large number of Shiba Inu in a single wallet. The whale spreads their assets among 7 wallets, making them less vulnerable to hacks and attacks because they are not concentrated in one spot. As a second point, letting Shiba Inu into freshly created wallets enhances privacy and anonymity. Other parties will have a harder time tracking the whale's movements since these newly created wallets do not have any identifying information or transaction history associated with them. With this level of concealment, the whale's valuables are even more protected and secured. That shields them from harm or unwanted scrutiny. Plus, that choice was spot on. Think about Sarah, who is wary of strangers and values secrecy and security when it comes to her financial affairs. Instead of keeping all of her money in one place, Sarah decides to open many accounts at different banks. By spreading her assets out, Sarah makes it less likely that she will lose all of her money in the case of a bank crash or security breach. Sarah chooses to use many identities when she creates these accounts so that her privacy and identity are even more protected. Similarly, the whale's decision to divide up Shiba Inu into 7 newly constructed wallets reflects Sarah's careful commitment to financial security and privacy. A whale's ability to remain anonymous and diversify their holdings strengthens their standing within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This positions them favorably for sustained success and durability in the dynamic Bitcoin market. But why did the whales suddenly decide to buy Shiba Inus? Are there things that they can see that we can't? Sure, I'll look into it. Market analysts like Javon Marks have recently spoken out about the future of Shiba Inu, expressing optimism and setting ambitious price targets. Marks has reiterated the long-standing goal of $1 for Shiba Inus, drawing attention to the asset's spectacular increase since the announcement of the AIM in September 2023. Even though the Shiba Inu's popularity has recently declined from its height, Marks remains optimistic about the breed's future. Marks anticipates that the asset's value will rise significantly once again. Shiba Inus might see a 147% increase in value in the next few days, according to his prediction. The fact that the Shiba Inu price last hit $1 during the peak of the 2021 bull market gives Marks further reason to believe that the $1 target is achievable. Leaving aside the whale we were already discussing, the whale currently holds 500 billion Shiba Inu tokens, as you may remember. While the whale's current holdings are valued at $14 million, they might reach $44 million if this expert is right and Shiba Inu soon surpasses its previous all-time high. A profit of over $30 million has been achieved. Considering the extremely short time frame for attaining such results, it is a significant return on investment. If the Shiba Inu token price were to reclaim its previous all-time high, the whale holding those tokens would likely feel the effects of a substantial gain of $30 million, at least from an investor's point of view. Going back to the pricing study, Marks has mentioned that Shiba Inu can achieve even higher standards. He argues that never-before-seen price ranges are based on the Shiba Inu's rally to its previous all-time high. If he achieves his new price target, Shiba Inus holders would see a whopping 433% return on investment, elevating the asset's position in the cryptocurrency market. When assessing the likelihood of the Shiba Inu breed reaching these targets, it is important to consider both its historical performance and the present state of the market. Even when faced with adversity, Shiba Inus have shown that they can bounce back. Following a small decline, the most recent 26% gain on March 17th indicates that purchasing pressure and investor interest are still there. If the expected upward trend in Shiba Inu popularity persists, the breed is once again poised to steal the show. That is incredibly exciting. Having said that, how do you feel about that? Post a remark down below. Your thoughts will be read with much anticipation. Those interested in learning more can do so by clicking on one of the videos that are shown on the screen. This video is now coming to an end. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and then use the comment section to let us know. For YouTube's algorithm, this is a tremendous boon. Get the word out to everyone you know about this video. This news has to be spread.